So how we do it, everyone? I'm Dario and this is MEDIABOXENT. Well, always we bring you the latest in technology. And today, what I want to show you is a microphone on the low budget. So it's about right now, I want to make this video, it's about $24. I will leave the link right below this video. And I show you also we did a full test and it works great. So first, we get the two microphones, two USB cable Type-C, and a carrying case, and a full instructions and manual we're going to go over. No application requires nothing special. So first, the adapter is pretty simple. Press it on, comes on with the green light. And we have a C port, Android. They use all C. Now, the brand new iPhone, use C. If you have an iPad, it's going to use C, all the new ones. You have the olders in iPhone series, you can use the Lightning port. Now, you have a camera PC. You're going to use the 3.5 and or 1A stereo jack. Perfect. That's where you're going to charge it. But if your phone still have one of these, so you got one device you carry it. So this one you carry an audio and microphone at the same time and one jack. But you're going to utilize only the microphone. The way you're going to do it, you're going to plug this little adapter right here, and now you can plug it in any device. So it's pretty simple, right? I think it's great. Now, let's look at the microphone. Pretty simple, straightforward. Green light is on. Press the power one more time. Blue light is mute. Right here. You want to turn it off, hold it for a few seconds. Now this opens and closes. By the way, do not force it. Do not move. And here is the power and adapter, USB Type-C for charging. Now, battery should last about 7 hours when it's all full charge. Now, the test we made this, I walk away about 20 feet away, and it was fine. I thought it was great. But I didn't see any problem 20 feet away. But what I want to do now, let's do some audio tests so you guys can hear the difference. So let's hold that one right there. Let me plug this here. I'm going to just record for audio purpose. So plug it in my phone. In my case, it's an Android. The only thing I need to do is just go here and tell this thing, hey, by the way, I have an external microphone connected. And let's start recording, and we're going to use only the audio from here. Okay, so now the audio you hear is the one I'm using the wireless microphone and recording this video. So we're going to use only the audio track. Remember, I did a previous test. I walk 20 feet away, and it works no problem. You should get about maybe 7 hours after the whole thing is a full charge. Was great. We have to remember it's a low budget microphone system. Hey, you know what? For $24, it was great. Now, once again, how to get it? Hey, the link is right below this video. Once again, I'm Dario, and I'll see you next time. Bye.